convert (1/4) base 6 to decimal. Solution. Now we have 1/4, then what base? Base 6. Still the same process. The next thing is to assign your values. We have 0, then we have 1. So in this case, we write out the expanding form. That's the next step. Now, 1 times what? 6 raised to the power of 1. Then plus 4 times what? 6 raised to the power of what? 0. Now we have the expanding form. The next thing is to simplify. 1 times 6 raised to the power of 1. What is 6 raised to the power of 1? 6. Plus 4 times 6 raised to the power of 0 is what? 1. Then 1 times 6, 6. 4 times 1, 4. So what do we have here? 6 plus 4, that is 10. So it means that 14 base 6 is now 10 base 10. That is the solution to the question.